It's Dollar Hot Dog Night at Arvest Ballpark. Naturals first pitch tonight at 7:05. Temperatures are going to make for a really nice, comfortable evening at the ballpark. We'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies at times. There is about a 20% chance of a couple of spotty showers in northwest Arkansas. We're clear at the moment. There is one spotty shower trying to develop there in Adair County. Got a couple towards the north in Delaware County. Those are moving towards the north, so they're not necessarily going to impact us. There are some that have developed in portions of LaFleur County. You'll notice these are kind of not moving very fast, generally only about, let's say, 10 or so miles per hour. There is a little bit of gusty winds coming out of these. We're talking 40 or so mile per hour winds near Tallahena. Not looking at a lot of hail right now, but we do expect the potential for some more of those to develop over the next few hours. This is 7 o'clock this evening. It's just a model. It may not look exactly like this. Placement may not be perfect, but it gives us a general idea that south of I-40, best odds for seeing a thunderstorm this evening, although we can't rule out a couple of those spotty showers in northwest Arkansas. The thing with these, they're being driven by daytime heating. So once that sun starts to set this evening, expect a lot of that to begin clearing up going into the overnight hours. In terms of additional rain chances, there are certainly going to be some tomorrow and on Friday as well. You'll notice we're looking at about 40 to 50% chance tomorrow. We'll bump that to 50 to 60 on Friday. Not an absolute washout. There's going to be a good chunk of both of those days that are probably going to be dry. We do have to carry some minor chances of rain into the forecast for us on Saturday and Sunday there as well, albeit chances are going to be just a little bit lower. Tomorrow, northwest Arkansas, we're waking up in the upper 50s. We'll have a little bit of sunshine here and there, more cloud cover throughout the course of the day. Temperature-wise, a lot like today. So if today was comfortable for you, tomorrow's going to feel okay as well. Rain chances and thunderstorm chances pick up a little bit quicker in the River Valley. We're all going to have a chance tomorrow. Here's going to be Futurecast. We'll pause this 4:30 in the morning. Not a big deal out there. We're waking up pretty quiet. Clouds are continuously building in from the south. It will turn out to be a cloudy day, a lot like this afternoon. Now, we get to lunchtime, we'll be seeing this disturbance approaching us from the west. There's 2:30 in the afternoon. Maybe some isolated development out ahead of that by 4 or 5 o'clock. Much like today, a lot of this will start to taper off by tomorrow evening. Right now in Fort Smith, it's 79 degrees, but we have just enough humidity that we actually do have a heat index value currently of 81 degrees. It's 77 in Bentonville. You can notice some of those little puffy clouds starting to bubble up out there. We also have a bit of a heat index value at 79 currently in Bentonville. Your 7-day forecast, this is what it's going to show us. 75 tomorrow, 77 both Friday and Saturday. There are going to be additional chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the course of tomorrow afternoon. And then by Friday morning, early Friday afternoon, we'll have to watch for some of those additional showers and storms. I think the second half of Friday may be in a little bit better of shape with some opportunities both Saturday and Sunday there as well. The interesting thing about this forecast is what happens today is going to have major implications on tomorrow's forecast. It all really kind of shakes out to where those boundaries set up and where they come to an end, where those storms fizzle out. That'll be the growing zones for those storms, again, the following day. So when it comes to placement, it's going to be very scattered, hit or miss. Timing is generally going to be afternoons, with the exception of Friday. I think mornings into the afternoon will be the time for those.
All right, well, we'll be watching that. Thank you, Scott. Well.